Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I'm really excited because at last we have launched our first ever hand-drawn illustration package. Now, why I'm saying we? So this is a collaboration between me and one of my homies, Shanko. Okay, he is my bhai, obviously bhai hai mera. So we made a hand-drawn illustration package of emojis. Okay, so let's get a look into it and see what we are having today, right? Okay. So here I'm introducing to you Boxmojis. Now you kind of get from the name like how the name is formed, Boxmojis. So obviously it will be boxed emojis or something like boxy. Okay. So we have used open pips over here. This is my character in open pips and this is Shonko's character in open pips. Okay, and you can duplicate it. Right now what I can see, there is 7 duplication already happened in Figma community. We are proud of that, at least 7. And one of the like is of mine, so doesn't let's not count it, but yeah, we got one like. Okay, whatever. So here are the emojis. Here is it is the thumbnail page, and here are the emojis. So we have prepared 24 different type of emojis for you. uh all of the, like, we can't provide all of the faces or emotions yet, because obviously it would take us too much time to create the whole package. But yeah, whatever we use every day, we have prepared from that particular emoji selection. Like those are the some of the emojis that we use every day in our WhatsApp chats. So that's why these 24 pictures. Now obviously not mask one, so we have kept this one related to the situation, or if you want to create something related to corona and all, that's why we have kept it. But rather than that, all of them we use it on daily basis. Now publishing in Figma community is like, you have to give us credits for it, like it's CC 4.0. But we are okay with if you are not giving us credit. Still, like, we are okay with it, but use it anywhere. Okay, and if you'd like, please tag us if you are sharing it in your social medias. We would love to see them, that where you are guys gonna use it. Because yeah, if you guys are using it like super creatively, we would be obviously happy to see it. Okay, so it will obviously uh praise us a lot, even if you are using it. Okay, so yeah, get it from Figma community. I will give the links in the description. Try it out, mix and match it with different type of things, like different type of projects, paid, commercial, non-commercial, personal, anything, anywhere you would like to use it, no problem. And yeah, that's it for this video, that's it for this emoji pack, and hope you guys will like it. And obviously this is our first time we are releasing hand drawn illustrations. I am really excited about it. Shanko was too. Yeah, Shanko is still excited because it's his it is really his first ever walk in public. Okay, so he is obviously excited about it as well. So yeah, support us on our social medias. Like, that's the least you can do to support us for this project. You can, like, follow me on Twitter, or please subscribe to my channel, or you can follow Shanko as well. Okay, so yeah, so daily things, please do subscribe to this channel if you like my videos in general. And if you know about some of the illustration flex, like, खुद के बारे में इतना नहीं बोलना चाहता हूँ, इसलिए ग्रेट नहीं बोल सकता हूँ, बट स्टिल इफ यू नो अबाउट सम ऑफ द great illustrations like this, like really cute ones or hand drawn ones, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So that's it, bye for now.